Thanks for watching. It's kind of rainy and messy outside, so today we're going to be starting on the lights for the shop. Let's get started.
The lights I'm going to be installing are these 4-foot LED lights that I ordered off Amazon. They're pretty cheap and I'm not sure how they're going to hold up, but for the price I couldn't really beat them. They fasten to the ceiling with these little clips. I was skeptical as to whether or not these would hold the lights up, but the lights weigh almost nothing and these things really hold on to them pretty well. You have to place the clips a certain distance apart, so instead of measuring it all out, I'm going to make a quick template out of this piece of plywood. So instead of fumbling with a tape measure while I'm on the ladder, I can just hold this up and mark for my clips. Well, the lights are hung, but there's nothing to plug them into. So I'm going to be using some of this material to run some conduit and some outlets for the lights to plug into. I start with the light switch first and put my box up there and mark for the holes. Then I use the hammer drill to drill the holes into the wall. Before I actually screw the box to the wall, I knock out this top hole to receive the conduit and put this fitting on there. Tried to keep it in the shot, but it was kind of tricky to do. Then I just screw it to the wall. Now for more of that fast motion time-lapse-y music. I realized pretty quickly that trying to pull the wire off those spools while they're on the ground just is not going to work. So I made me like a makeshift wire spool holder thing. And right here is where the green wire got tangled up. And it kept getting tangled up for the rest of the day. In fact, it's still tangled up. I just gave up on it. And now the moment of truth. I'm going to flip that switch. The one on the right, not the one on the left, because there's not a switch on the left. I'm going to put a switch there, but the one we need to worry about is the one on the right. I'm fixing to flip it. The lights are going to work. I believe in myself. Maybe.
So the lights are all done. It's really bright in here. I put 18 total 4-foot LED fixtures in here. It's probably way brighter than I needed it to be, but I wanted everything spaced evenly. So that's just how it came out. Besides, you can't ever have too much light. The next step will be to start wiring the outlets, and then I'll be able to start moving tools in here. And really excited about that. Please like and subscribe if you would, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when I post a new video, and you can stay up to date on the progress. And thank you for watching.